So this is a good example. So
yes.
here's our transition. Here's our transition. Here's the peak of the arch.
Voicemail
So
about,
I'm doing all the way to the
but
top,
you have an appointment
and then
for
I'm starting here.
For you. I don't know where you're
Here.
coming from.
So
or
I'm doing it
traffic,
slightly, but right
so
on top
I
of one
wanted to
another,
know if,
just so that I
you
can.
wanted to move up a little.
So in her case, because she has full eyebrows, would I leave enough space to
Okay,
go back
so
and fill in more, or what would I be leaving for a touch-up?
Always want to leave
Still
some
enough space for a touch-up to
Yeah,
add
you
more.
never want to
We'll see
overstroke or do it too
you,
close. I mean, she's got great brows. So less is more on her.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that we can look and we can
Okay,
see the
awesome.
stroke, we
See
can
you then.
assess it, and then we can go back in for the second pass. But
Okay.
you definitely want to leave space there. You don't want to do it too close.
Okay. The beginning.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Follow the pattern that the
I think
hair
what,
is
cause
growing.
yeah.
This is evolving like lashes. We typically now drive the color in.
Okay.
And want it to let it sit, because then it sits for that length of time while you're doing this side. Then you drive that in, and it sits for a long time. Then when you go back to this side, but I like to make sure that I'm still creating
You
the
wanna
symmetry.
see it
I want to
instead of
make
putting
sure
color
I'm
on.
following my lines. But continue. This is perfectly. It's just got the easiest brows in the whole wide world to do.
I can hear